My name is Matt, and I did my undergraduate degree in science, followed by a master's in finance. I chose prop trading because I really enjoyed the analytical side of both my degrees, and I think that prop trading requires a lot of analytical skills, so to be analysing technical analysis, to be analysing geopolitical themes and these sort of things. And as well as this, I wanted a more fast-paced career, and I think trading, especially prop trading, combines both of these things well. I thought the Alphchain training was really good. The content was very thorough, there was lots of detail, so it meant I can learn about all the different strategies, all the different indicators. Especially for me, because I hadn't come from a trading background, so all of this was new to me. So it really helped that all of the mentors were extremely friendly, and you can go ask them any questions which you may have. It meant that this whole training process was pretty seamless for me. Live trading has been really fun. It's been a definite step up from demo trading because there's so much more motion involved. But with all the risk management guidelines and all of the help from the mentors, definitely helped me get on my feet quickly. At the moment I'm profitable, so hopefully let's stay like this. My plans going forwards, to be honest, are just to stay at Alphchain. I'd like to work my way up the different capital levels with the general aim of becoming a fully independent trader in the next 1 to 2 years.